Hey, it's Nick Frederking, AgriGold agronomist here in Southern Illinois, and we're on day 4 of corn plant evaluations. We've worked our way down the plant, and today I want to go inside of the plant and look at the stalk tissue and that pith tissue holding everything in place inside of the plant. Now, I've already dug this plant up, taken a sharp knife and split it in half. As we're inspecting the inside of this stalk, first thing we're going to look is at the very base of this corn plant, this triangle structure here. This is the crown. This is where all the primary roots originated from. And so it's very important that we keep this intact, looking clean. We don't want any discoloration or anything that makes this crown look weak. Right here, this is a good looking crown. We've got fluid filled, we're tight, we're strong. There's a little bit of a different color here. You can see that's fairly normal. Now, this crown, if it's compromised, if it's decaying, if it looks very dark, discolored, there's a chance we have Fusarium crown rot. Now, that's bad news because once this is compromised, the rest of this plant is compromised. We can let in stalk rot pathogens up into the stalk. We can severely hamper yield if this part of the plant right here looks discolored. This is the heart. This is what keeps this plant thumping. Now, as you move up the stalk, you're going to notice that the texture changes a little bit. We've got very fluid-filled tissue right here. And then as we move up, it starts to look a little more like styrofoam. And it feels a lot like styrofoam. You know, we can push it. It's very malleable. When the plant starts to change the stalk tissue over into this styrofoam texture, the plant is preparing to tap into it as a reserve for nutrients in case it can't pull up what it needs. The problem with this is when this is styrofoam texture, we don't have any integrity in that stalk. This is where we have high wind events and we don't get the plants to snap, but they kink over. They kink because we've got some give in this tissue. Now, as we move down the stalk and we get back into this water-filled tissue, this is good. This is tight. There's no movement of this stalk. This is strong with a lot of turgor pressure inside of those cells. Now, if you'd open this up and you see any decay inside of the stalk, that's bad news. You're going to want to keep evaluating these plants that show compromised crowns or compromised stalk tissue. Keep an eye on those because those fields may need to be prioritized for harvest so they don't go down before the combine gets them.